What's up, guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to fix your disgusting, blurry, crappy Facebook pictures that you post on Facebook. The crappy Facebook. But anyways, let's get to it. So, you see how when you post a picture, I'm going to shut off the mode first to show you the difference. First, let me get out of this. You see, shut these off for a second. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna post let's see this picture. Just post it. Screw it. Alright, here we go. Posted. You see how crappy, disgusting, and horrible Facebook makes that picture look like versus when we do this, which we're going to get into right now. So how to make this picture look 10 times better is to go to the 3 lines right here. Once you see this menu page, you're going to go down to settings and privacy and click settings. After you do that, you're going to go to media, which is in the preference section. Click media, and you see how mine is off because I just shut it off for the example. You're going to click these 2 on. Do video also, because I'm sure everybody's gonna post videos and stuff. You want to make your videos look very nice and clear and stuff. But anyways, now we're gonna show you the difference. Now this is a big difference. Yeah, we're gonna post that. Now here, look how better that picture looks like versus this one right here. Sorry, my voice is freaking scratchy. It's just, I'm filming this at 2 in the morning, but this one versus that one. Look in it like this. Look how clear it looks. Versus this picture, you look through it like, oh come on, look it like that. Look how horrible that looks. But once again, you go to here, your settings. You go down to your media, click the media, and you put on video upload HD and photo upload HD. And it will make your photos 10 times better